was 5:30 yesterday. It was starting to rain. It was a big rain. So the water come that side and come inside my house and damage everything. I try to take some clothes and put it on top of the bed and top of the fridge and top of, because the bed is not sinking when the water is coming inside. But still, the water was very powerful.
The workers came flooding here inside, but they couldn't do anything in terms of like preventing it or moving anything. So just sit there and wait up until the rain is finished flooding. But of which it rained for like 4 hours perhaps, if I'm not mistaken.